Ibadan menta High Assembly ilapan pau ya kajing Shah Thambor Kimbriu jongka VP Jaintia Hills haka election MDC. Ilai thoru bahakatugas ngi dan ki polling agent jongka VP kipala Shah Kitnap Labuan Kenta. Lengba kajing Shah Kitnap jong i polling agent jongka VP la mi kajing le thok kajing tabut thok hakapor election Jaintia Hills. Kapadai kabahap haka Nartiang constituency.
How can you say that the free and fair election? People were asked to surrender their epic to the village leaders. One of our polling agents in Maya Club, Nartiang constituency, was abducted for many hours on that day. And another fellow in Shiliang Mintang constituency was taken by these opponent. They were about to throw him from the bridge. And how can you say that there is a free and fair election, sir? And I have with me
Hakum kata kapor ladon kajing Shah kani no kipat ba ya ka epic jongki bat la shapen tap boat jupor hakamon jong kita kibriu kipathambor iba arden ilai tho shuru badan so ka wei kajing thambor ya ka VP hapor election MDC Jaintia Hills hakaba Lasha Byrngem ya iwei irang ba ban bread nalor jingkin shawa.
I'm not asking to Mr. Conrad Sangma as an individual, but as the Chief Minister of the state. He is not only the leader of the Treasury bench, sir. He is also our leader and the leader of the state. Can he sleep peacefully when he knows that his people cannot exercise freely their franchise in our state?
Hakani kajingkran iba arden ilai thuo ba kumno ukongrat sama kung CM uklem le AA Radai UCM ubudan Shah kajingkle uladai ban shim ka action umdai ban le silyang hendrai usus ngap jar klem dal AA.
And I'm telling you, as a party who represent the voice of the people party, we will not sit idle, we will not leave the stone unturned till the people of Jaintia Hills are getting the opportunity to exercise their franchise freely. I'm asking this.
Ibadan ilapan pau ba in yakun bait nam taka hok ka Jaintia Hills hadu banayo ya kajing job inam shong ngabjar klem dal AA. Hadu bakipat ba jong ka Jaintia Hills kinyo bantap ya ka vote ka jongki ha ka khot ka supa klem na dan mano ban penbor yaki.